Vadodara, also known as Baroda, is one of the Gujarat's most vibrant cities, celebrated for its soil heritage, educational institutions, and rich cultural scenes. From traditional thalis to modern cafes, here are the top 10 restaurants in Vadodara that promise a memorable dining experience. The first one is Mendap Restaurant. Mendap is one of the Vadodara's most iconic restaurants, known for serving authentic Gujarati thalis in a traditional setting. The ambience reflects Gujarat's cultural heritage, with folk music and warm hospitality enhancing the experience. The thali include a wide variety of items like dal, curry, shak, farsan, roti, rice, and sweets. Guests love the unlimited serving and homely taste. It's perfect place for those who want to experience Gujarat on a plate. The second one is Azor. Azor offer a premium dining experience with its contemporary interior and extensive multi-cuisine menu. Guests can enjoy Indian, continental, and Asian dishes all prepared with a touch of elegance. Known for its lavish buffets, Azor is popular among corporate travelers and families alike. The professional service and fine presentation make dining here special. It's one of the top choice for those looking for luxury dining in Vadodara. The third one is Barbecue Nation. A fair for groups and families, Barbecue Nation is known for its live grills and unlimited buffet. Diners can enjoy a variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian starters right at their tables. The main course include Indian and international dishes along with indulgent desserts. Guests particularly enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and interactive service. It's the true place to celebrate special occasions and enjoy hearty meals. The fourth one is Kai Asia. Kai Asia is Vadodara's go-to restaurant for authentic Pan-Asian cuisine. It specializes in Japanese, Thai, and Chinese dishes, with sushi, dim sum, and curries being highlights. The restaurant has a chic, sophisticated ambience, making it ideal for fine dining. Guests appreciate the authenticity of flavors and the attention to detail in presentations, perfect for couples and those who love global cuisines. The fifth one is Peshawari. For North Indian and Mughlai food lovers, Peshawari is a luxurious dining destination. The restaurant offers rich kebabs, tandoori specialties, and aromatic curries prepared in traditional clay ovens. The rustic decor featuring wooden interiors and copper utensils create an earthy yet royal feel. Guests rave about the melted mouth kebabs and buttery naans. It's a must visit for those craving rich, flavorful Indian cuisine. The next one is the barbecue grill. The barbecue grill offers a lively dining experience with live counters and a buffet-style spread. It's especially popular for its variety of starters and interactive cooking stations. The ambience is casual yet cheerful, making it suitable for groups and office parties. The staff is attentive and quick with refills, ensuring a smooth experience. It's a budget-friendly alternative to premium buffet chains. The next one is Little Italy. Little Italy brings authentic Italian flavor to Vadodara, offering food-fired pizzas, creamy pastas, and delightful desserts. The restaurant has cozy, elegant vibe perfect for couples and families. Guests appreciate the use of fresh ingredients and vegetarian-friendly menu. The wine selection complements the meal beautifully. It's the go-to place for those who love European dining in this city. The next one is La Quello. La Quello is a stylish cafe and restaurant that serves continental, Indian and Fijian dishes. Its chic decor and creative plating make it popular among the younger crowd. The menu includes sizzlers, sandwiches, salads, and signature drinks. Guests love the modern ambience and friendly service. It's perfect for casual outing, coffee dates, or a light meal after shopping. The second last is Sans Sizzlers. Sans Sizzlers is one of the most loved restaurants in Vadodara for its wide variety of sizzling platters. From vegetarian sizzlers to chicken and seafood options, every dish is served hot and flavorful. The portion size are generous, making it a great place for groups. The casual ambience and quick service add to its charm. It's a must try for those who enjoy hearty, sizzling meals. The last one is 22nd Parallel. 22nd Parallel is famous for its South Indian specialties offering authentic dosas, idlis, varas, and filter coffee. The restaurant is simple yet comfortable, focusing entirely on flavor and authenticity. Guests highlight the crisp dosas and perfectly spiced chutneys. It's an affordable and dependable choice for breakfast, brunch, or casual meals. For South Indian food lovers, this is the best place in Vadodara. Vadodara's food culture is as diverse as its heritage, offering everything from traditional Gujarati thalis to global fine dining experience. Whether you want to enjoy authentic regional food, sizzling platters, or pan-Asian delicacies, these 10 restaurants ensure that every meal become a memory.